Hi, Adam Walter with Humanize IT. And today I want to talk to you about a problem that a lot of MSPs are facing, and that is firefighting mode. For years, you spent your entire day going from ticket to ticket to ticket, solving problems, putting out fires, that you don't really have time to think strategically. You intend to get to QBRs, you intend to get to project planning phases with your clients. It just hasn't happened, and it's been years. Something needs to change. And I'm going to tell you over the next minute what needs to change. You need to click enroll in our product on our elite feature set so that we can take care of the problem for you and get you started. Let me show you how this works. First, you enroll in our product. You immediately need to put in your API keys. Then our white glove service is going to set up your API so that you can now start syncing with clients and seeing what's going on. This global dashboard you see here is going to show you what projects are in what status, where your opportunities are, how much cash is on the table, which assets are depreciating, as well as which clients you need to be meeting with next. We have pre-built playbooks to show you how to stay successful with your clients. You can simply come in here and see over a cup of coffee what you need to do to stay strategic. Now that you have this built, you can actually log in and walk into any client point blank and run a successful QBR with them. No prep time, or just a little bit of prep time just to make sure you're on the right foot. So I can come into Acme here. I've got a meeting with them right now, and my API is going to pull in all my ConnectWise tickets or Autotask or Halo, and it's going to show you where we are. You're going to see that you need to talk to them about the projects that have been completed, any open tickets here, as well as project statuses. That's a 5-minute review. You're now going to walk into the active quarter and say what projects are coming up, how much cash is on the table, how is the economy doing? So we can put this thing in context with how we're going to support their business through an economy switch. And then finally, you're going to resolve what's the budget, what are the issues and actions coming up, and is there anything we need to talk about before we end the meeting? You are now in a strategic initiative with very little work on your side. All you have to do is log in and talk to your client. Have a conversation with them. It's that easy. So stop firefighting. Click enroll now. Let our team take on the white glove support for you that you need to make the change to get forward and to be strategic with your clients today. I guarantee you're going to make more money, your clients are going to be stickier, and everybody's going to be happier, and your perceived value is going to go through the roof. Start today.